Introduction of Eyoyo Tour Guide System C100 C101. First, let's take a look at the product. The power switch of the C100 transmitter is located on the left side of the product. Push up to turn on and push down to turn off. The button on the front is its frequency pairing and grouping key. Above it, from left to right, there are one-key turn-off all receivers, built-in microphone hole, and external microphone jack. Below are USB charging port and restart buttonhole. The transmitter can use its built-in microphone or a headset or a short microphone to pick up sound. Now let's take a look at the C101 receiver. The power switch of the receiver is located on the front. Press and hold the power button for more than 3 seconds. After the blue light on, release the button to turn on the product. Press and hold the power button for more than 3 seconds. After the red light on, release the button to turn off the receiver. The side of the receiver has its volume control button, and the audience can adjust the volume according to their needs. The smiling face on the back is the sound receiving hole, and below it is the USB charging port. The receiver can be worn on both the left and right ears and can be rotated up and down by the soft rubber. When the soft rubber rotates to the bottom, it is worn on the left ear, and when it rotates to the top, it is worn on the right ear.